Welcome to English Easy Hub. Join us as we ignite the flames of your English learning journey together.
Please subscribe to watch and embark on your English learning journey. Don't miss out on the exciting content. Ordering coffee can be a delightful experience. Whether you're at a cafe, using an office coffee machine, or a self-service coffee station, understanding the basic steps and options available can help you get the perfect cup of coffee tailored to your taste. This guide will walk you through 3 common scenarios: ordering at a cafe, making coffee with an office machine, and using a self-service coffee machine. By following these simple conversations, you'll learn how to confidently order or make your favorite coffee drink.
Hi, can I get a cup of coffee, please?
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like? We have espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino, and more.
I'd like a latte, please.
Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
Do you want any extra flavor, like vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut?
Yes, can I have a vanilla flavor, please?
Of course. Would you like any whipped cream on top?
No, thank you.
All right. Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your total is $4.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my card.
Great, please tap your card here. Your latte will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Hi, can you help me with the coffee machine?
Sure, Simon. What kind of coffee do you want to make?
I'd like to make an Americano.
Great choice. First, make sure the machine is on.
Okay, it's on.
Now, take a coffee pod and place it in the machine.
Got it. What's next?
Press the button for an espresso shot.
Done. The espresso is coming out now.
Perfect. For an Americano, you need to add hot water. There's a button for hot water on the machine.
I see it. Should I fill the cup all the way?
Fill it up to about 3/4. That should be good.
All right, it's done. Do I need to add anything else?
You can add milk or sugar if you like.
I'll add a little bit of sugar.
There's sugar over there. Just take a spoon and stir it in.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
No problem, Simon. Enjoy your Americano.
Thanks, I will. Hello. Can you show me how to use this self-service coffee machine?
Of course, Simon. What kind of coffee would you like to make?
I'd like to make a cappuccino.
Great choice. First, select the cappuccino option on the screen.
Okay, I see it. I've selected cappuccino.
Good. Now, take a cup and place it under the coffee spout.
Got it. What's next?
The machine will ask if you want any extra flavors. Do you want to add any?
Yes, I'd like to add caramel.
Perfect. Select caramel on the screen.
Done. What should I do now?
The machine will start making your cappuccino. It will brew the coffee and then add the steamed milk and foam.
It's starting now. How long does it usually take?
It should take about a minute or two.
I see. Is there anything else I need to do while it's making the coffee?
No, you just need to wait. When it's done, the machine will beep.
Okay. It just beeped. Is it finished?
Yes, it's finished. You can take your cup now.
Great. It looks good. Can I add some toppings?
Sure, there are toppings over there, like chocolate powder, cinnamon, and nutmeg.
I'll add a bit of chocolate powder. Should I stir it?
You can if you like, but for a cappuccino, it's usually nice to just sprinkle it on top.
All right. I'll just sprinkle it. Anything else I need to know?
That's it. You're all set. Enjoy your cappuccino.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Simon. Enjoy your coffee.
In conclusion, ordering and making coffee involves a few straightforward steps. Selecting the type of coffee, deciding on any additional flavors or toppings, and choosing the right size and temperature. Whether you're interacting with a barista at a café, navigating an office coffee machine, or using a self-service station, being clear about your preferences will ensure you get exactly what you want. With these practical dialogues as a guide, you can enjoy a smooth and satisfying coffee experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share to keep the English learning journey alive.